Hello, recently I watched this 2023 American film titled Missing, and this is about a teenager named June Allen and tries to find her mother Grace, who disappeared while on vacation in Colombia with her new boyfriend. It features several technologies or current technologies that is used as primary tool by June Allen to solve the mystery of her mother disappearance. What are some of the current technological innovations that were featured in the film, and how do they impact our day-to-day lives? One of the technology featured on this film is the CCTV motion detectors. It acts as a security to the character's house. And also, this kind of technology makes a huge impact to our day-to-day lives as it ensures the sense of security and privacy of our family. Another technology is the use of internet tools like live cams, Google Maps, and Google Translate, which helps June to locate several areas of the globe and talk to people with different language with the use of Google Translate. In this technology, it helps us to explore place even we are not physically in the area with just the use of internet tools like Google Maps. And just like June's did, we can communicate to people with different language as well. This film also features social media as a communication mode of June Allen to find her missing mother. This kind of technological innovation gave a huge impact to us, especially to our everyday lives, as it helped us easily communicate to our loved ones, friends, workmates, even we are in far distance, of course, with the help of the internet. Internet tools like Google Find My Device was used by June to locate her mom and his boyfriend Kevin. These internet tools act as a tracker to our device and gave us a chance to share location to our loved ones or to a trusted person. In short, this kind of technological innovation is a powerful tool as well when it comes to security along with security cameras.